Introducing the 2020 Toyota Corolla, proudly presented by Cottonwood Auto Sales. This sleek blue Corolla LE is equipped with a 1.8-liter i4 engine and a smooth automatic transmission, offering front-wheel drive for optimal handling. Enjoy features like keyless entry, Bluetooth connectivity, and a vibrant touchscreen, all designed for your comfort and convenience. For more information or to book your test drive, contact Cottonwood Auto Sales today. Don't forget to browse our inventory